In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change slide orientation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Start by opening PowerPoint. If you're on Windows, click the Start button, search for PowerPoint, and open the app. Once PowerPoint is up, open the presentation where you want to change the orientation. You can pick a recent file from the home screen or browse to locate it. Make sure the presentation you want to edit is active before moving on. Next, head to the Design tab on the ribbon at the top of the window. On the right side of that tab, you'll see the Slide Size button. Click it to open your slide size options, then choose Custom Slide Size. This opens a dialog where you control both the slide's dimensions and its orientation. From here, you can choose the size you prefer. If your goal is simply to switch the orientation, look for the Orientation section in the dialog. Set the slides option to Portrait if you want a vertical layout, or keep it on Landscape for the traditional horizontal layout. As an example, let's switch to Portrait. After choosing Portrait, PowerPoint may prompt you to decide how existing content should adjust. Select Ensure Fit to prevent elements from getting cropped. This shrinks or reflows content to fit the new shape. The other option, Maximize, fills the space but can cut off items at the edges. For most cases, Ensure Fit is the safer choice. When you're ready, click OK to apply the change. If you want a different size afterward, you can repeat the process. Go back to the Design tab, click Slide Size, and select Custom Slide Size again. Use the drop-down next to Slide Size to pick a preset that suits your needs, such as widescreen or standard, or a page size like letter or A4. This is helpful when you're preparing slides for printing or when a specific aspect ratio is required for screens. Confirm your selection, choose Ensure Fit if prompted, and click OK. A quick note to keep in mind: changing orientation applies to the entire presentation, not just a single slide. If your layout shifts a bit after the change, take a moment to nudge images and text boxes so everything looks clean and balanced. When you're done, save your presentation to keep the new orientation. That's it. Open your presentation, go to Design, choose Slide Size, pick Custom Slide Size, select your orientation or preferred size, and confirm with Ensure Fit and OK. You're all set.